Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how we can create game with the help of AI. So we are going to use here two platforms. One is ChatGPT and another one is BARD. Okay, so I'm going to use here new chat and here's also new chat. Now let's prompt here something like let's create one game here. Okay, so suppose if I want to create a simple basic game, it's suppose tic-tac-toe game. Okay, and I'm gonna tell both platform to create this game with amazing design. So see who will create the better game, who will create the better design. So let's see. Okay, so let's compare both platform. Create a tic-tac-toe game in one file with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Make sure use the colorful or elegant design for this game. Okay, done. Now let's just enter and let's same prompt for this also. Let's see who will create the better game. Okay, they both are working on this game, but I think BARD already created. He used some JavaScript file and again the CSS file and HTML file. Let's see the ChatGPT and he created the whole game in the one file. Okay, one thing. Now let's tell again to the BARD. Okay, and let's see combine all files in one file. Combine all file code in one file. Okay, it's done. Now let's copy that code. Okay, use the I'm using a VS Code and let's paste and let's save this file and let's see game by bard.html. Okay, done this one. And another one is ChatGPT code, copy code and just use one new. Let's save this game chatgpt.html. So as you can see here we have game bard.html and game chatgpt.html. Let's open both files. Okay, this is the BARD and this is the elegant design. Okay, but it's not working at all. Now let's see the ChatGPT. Oh, that's great. So it means ChatGPT is working more perfectly. That's amazing. Let's try to modify the code. Okay, and let's tell to the BARD is like your code is not working, please fix it and change some design also, make it more attractive. Okay, let's enter and let's see this will work or not with BARD. Okay, so let's see, let's copy this code now. Let's replace that code. Okay, here it's not even the full code. OMG. So BARD is really not, it's not working at all. Write a full code please. Let's see how this will work. Okay, this one is not completed yet. So what I will do, I'll just copy this and I'll just say here complete this code and I'll paste that code here. It's still, as you can see here, this one is not working. So I'm really sorry for that and I think ChatGPT is a winner. Okay, that's the overall thing, how we can create game using the ChatGPT and BARD. BARD is working but it's not working perfectly as ChatGPT. Okay, right now, but this one functionality is like you can use here upload image and you can write a code from that image. So I'll create another video with BARD. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day, be safe, bye bye.